Hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use chat in Microsoft Teams for home. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is come down to search and I'll open up the Microsoft Teams app. And this is the Microsoft Teams app for home. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is come over and make sure I'm clicked on chat in the global navigation bar of Teams. Okay, and so here you will see the historical conversations with different people that you've had. In order to begin chatting with other people, you need to make sure that you've invited them into Teams and that you've connected with them. And you can do that down here. Once you are connected with the people you want to chat with, you can go ahead and click on their name, or you can start a new chat here. This little icon will open up a brand new chat session where you can type in someone's email address or name and begin that conversation. In this case, I want to start a conversation with Sting, so I'm going to click on his name because he's going to be doing some work for my School of Rock.
I hope that someone gets my message in a bottle.
All right, so and to begin typing a message, I'm going to come down here to the bottom, and in this case, I'm going to be asking him to complete a survey. All right, and the other cool thing is you can paste in text and you can paste in hyperlinks. So I've got a link to a survey that I'd like him to complete. I'll go ahead and paste that in there and I'll send it off. All right, now let's take a look at this from Sting's point of view. All right, so over here we can see in Sting's interface that he's got a new message counter indicator on chat, and he can go ahead and select on the message I sent him, read the message here, and respond. And send that off. And you can see here that I get a notification on my desktop that I have a new message from Sting, and we see it here. You can go and select that and review the message. Now, we're doing this on the desktop version of the app. You can also interact with this through the mobile version of Microsoft Teams. Now, some other things to call out here. We did a pretty simple text message response, but you can also click here on your formatting button and you can get many more formatting options for your message. And so you can do things like modify the size of the font, you can create lists, you can insert hyperlinks here, you can even embed code, and you have the ability to insert tables. Another thing you'll notice is down here, you have the ability to insert an image. So we can click this and get the options to attach from our OneDrive, or we can upload files from our device. Another thing I've learned is that you can copy and paste images right into this field when you're on your computer. So for example, maybe I've taken a screenshot here of the form. I can go ahead and copy this and paste it into the message field with Control V, and I can send that off. The other thing you have down here is your paper clip, where you can attach files. Any type of file you'd like, you can go ahead and upload or attach from your OneDrive. We then, of course, have our emojis, where we can include those within our message, and we have animated GiFs. And the final option we have here, if you've seen a lot of my videos, you know I love to talk about generative AI. You have Microsoft Designer built right into here, where you can generate a custom image on the fly and send it in chat. Just click on Generate Image and type the description of what you would like created. Send it off and watch the results come in. And boom shakalaka. See, I like this one. I'll go ahead and select that. And you can put a little design to it, and done. So you have that available to you as well. Now, some other things to call out. At the very top of your chat window, you have files. And so if you are attaching files within your chat, those will all show up here in this files area. You also have a photos area where any photos you've uploaded or images will show up. This is handy over time. If you've sent a lot of images back and forth, you'll be able to quickly find the one that you want. And then here you can add more content. We can add a tab, and we can search for apps or use what is here. We've got a task tab. So if we wanted to track tasks between us as a team, maybe we're working on a project, we can create tasks and set up due dates and track the different tasks within our project. Now, finally, over here to the far right, this is where you can get into making calls. Maybe chat is not enough and you decide you want to go ahead and start a phone call with the person you're chatting with. You can choose call or video call. And finally, we have this screen sharing. So in this up arrow, you can click this to begin sharing your screen with the other person. You can show them something on your computer and be even more clear about what you're talking about. And then here where you see the two people and the plus sign, if you want to add people to this chat conversation, you can go ahead and type their name in and bring them into the conversation. So now you can see that I have two individuals that I am chatting with in this conversation. This is now a group chat conversation. And what's cool is you can rename this. And if you are wondering how many people are in the team and who's in the team, over time, you can come over here and click and you can see the individuals who are part of this group chat. If you're the creator of this group chat, you can remove them at any time by clicking the X. All right, and that's how you use Microsoft Teams chat. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one.